Auto insurance can be described as a product which, when purchased, can be used for the payment of damages to your vehicle or others' vehicles in the event of an accident or any other non-accident related harm. It is also important to note that different states have their laws as regards the number of auto insurance a person is supposed to own if they want to drive legally. There are diverse factors that tend to affect auto insurance rates, and it is always up to the insurance industry to determine what car insurance is and the sum a particular person is meant to pay for auto coverage. In having a good-to-go insurance, you also have to consider what kind of insurance coverage you need. This coverage consists of personal injury protection. When a person decides to choose the personal injury protection auto insurance coverage, what this signifies is that in case of a car accident, no matter who happens to be at fault, the medical bills that are needed to take care of such a person and others involved will be taken care of by the insurance company. Collision coverage. In case of a collision insurance coverage, the insurance company will be responsible for paying the costs needed to fix your damaged car in an event of a covered accident. Liability coverage. This type of insurance coverage is responsible for taking care of medical bills for injury sustained in an accident and any cost that is needed for the repair of your damaged property. The liability coverage is of two types, and they are: 1. Coverage for personal property. 2. Coverage for bodily injury. Comprehensive coverage. This type of auto insurance is a voluntary auto insurance coverage which helps to protect your car from theft and damages that are not resulting from a collision. These are different kinds of auto insurance, and they differ from each other depending on a person's choice. Every auto insurance policies require that you pay a fee which is called an insurance premium. The average consumer may not be aware of the many factors that affect their insurance premiums. These factors include credit history, the type of car you drive, driving record, your age, marital status, and even the amount of your chosen deductible. Normally, younger drivers will most likely pay higher rates considering the fact that they have less experience behind the wheel, and for this reason they are considered to be a higher risk. Mature drivers, as well as those that are married, are considered to be much more responsible and may enjoy a good-to-go insurance with a reasonable discount. Auto insurance is a requirement and not an extravagance. For you to get the best out of it, it will be good to make a deep research for a good-to-go auto insurance company. Auto insurance is not same for all vehicles, it depends on the kind of vehicle, the year, etc. Some insurance companies offer discounted car insurance which eases off tension from your car damages. Below are two factors that can make insurance companies offer you lower rates are: 1. When you try as much as you can to remain with an auto insurance company, they are likely to offer you lower rates. But in a situation where you are also running from one insurance company to another, you might be thought of as not being responsible. 2. By maintaining the same policy with the same company, you will become eligible for discounts for doing so. You can also have an improved credit score by keeping up your premiums and staying with the same company. For your good-to-go insurance, you can start off with low insurance premiums, which can help you a great deal in saving some reasonable amount of money. Before choosing any insurance policy for yourself, it will be advisable to first begin by taking time to discuss your policy with an agent who is in the position of educating you on all the needed details that will be favorable to you. You also need to know the rules that are being adopted by insurance companies from your location. As a driver, you need to have good-to-go auto insurance before you can drive a vehicle. You do not have to think about auto insurance as being expensive, considering the fact that it can save you a whole lot of money in the long run if you eventually find yourself in an accident and it happened to be found that you are driving without a car insurance, which could have some certain penalties. Having a good-to-go insurance is a way of rearming yourself from any financial outcome an eventual accident might incur. Therefore, if you do not have your auto insurance now, better get yours today.